Hey everyone, this is Seki from Skymard. Did you notice those orange machines behind? Today I'm at Lonking Factory and I'd like to introduce a high cost-effective excavator to you. Let's go and find out. Yes, it is the LG6075W G4 crawler excavator from Lonking. As you can see, it is a small type excavator with an operating weight of 7,618 kilograms and a 0.28 cubic meter bucket. LG6075W G4 features a special side-mounted boom design, reducing the machine's rotational inertia during slurring operations. It reaches a maximum digging height of 7,050 mm and digging radius of 6,290 mm. Equipped with a 36.8 kilowatts Weichai WP3.2T engine, this compact excavator can deliver powerful performance. Also, it meets Tier 4 emission standard and is energy saving and environmentally friendly. Let's check the cab. The upgraded and enlarged cab offers more space and better visibility. What's more, it's equipped with standard suspended leather seats, reducing operators' fatigue. Lonking LG6075W G4 crawler excavator offers excellent value for money in its tonnage class. If you are interested, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.